I'm talking about the Caroma E68 Pro electric scooter. So I have never seen a scooter with a seat before. So I was really interested in reviewing this. So it has a lot of options. So let's take a closer look and I'll show you what it's got. It has an easy to turn on power button. It has a great display screen. It has cruise control. It has 3 speeds, so this is the plus and this is the minus. Then it has a light. It has great grip handlebars and an easy access brake. Comes with a handlebar clip, and here's the throttle. And the all-important bell. It has sturdy tires and also reflectors. It comes with a sturdy kickstand. It has a nice wide footboard, a really comfortable, easy, adjustable seat, and it's easy to fold. And now it's time to ride. It has a 20 mile per hour max speed and a 25 mile max range. And as always, my friend Keith always likes to get in on the fun. It has 10-inch tires, which is great for getting through all sorts of terrain. My friend Diane even got in on the fun. It's easily foldable and ready to take anywhere. So as you can see, this Caroma scooter is not only fun, but it's also convenient. You can pretty much take it anywhere. Just fold it up and put it in your car, your SUV, your van, whatever you got, and go. And I love that there's a seat on here because sometimes you want to stand, sometimes you want to sit. So I'm going to put a link in the description below so you yourself can get one of these and have as much fun as I did.